Hi, I'm Dr. Pam Peeke, the author of The Hunger Fix, the 3-stage detox and recovery plan for overeating and food addiction. Food addiction? Are you food addicted? Well, guess what? The new news from science is that food addiction is real. Scientists have found that there are certain foods that really hijack your reward system in your brain. They're called the hyperpalatables. They tend to be, sugary, fatty, salty, starchy foods and food combinations that just make you feel like you're out of control. And boy, they sure get in the way of a great curves program when you're trying to drop that extra weight and get fit and healthy. Scientists have found that when they use brain scans of people who have drug addiction and alcohol, compare them to people who say that they are food addicted, when you actually cue up the particular substance and you look at those brain scans, they're indistinguishable. They're the same. The same thing is happening. This is one of the reasons why we know food addiction is real. So what do you do about this? Well, in the Hunger Fix, we offer a holistic and comprehensive program that's beautifully compatible to all the work that you're doing at Curves. The template for the entire program is mind, mouth, and muscle. We like putting them all together and making them work for you so you can pitch this food addiction issue and get on with life already. Shed those extra pounds, feel healthy and fit. Look, at the end of the day, your goal is to have a healthy, fit body. You want to shed as much of that excess body fat as you can. Why? Because you feel better, and it's also great for your health. You can't do that if you're food addicted. You want to be able to deal with this today. The overeating has to end. When you read my book, The Hunger Fix, you'll get that mind and body that you so richly deserve.